If you've been hearing terms like Claude Code, Claude Agents, Claude Artifacts, Claude Skills, or Claude Pro, and wondering what they actually mean, you're in the right place. In the next few minutes, I'll explain everything about Claude AI in simple language, so you understand its models, plans, features, and how everything fits together. Let's get started. Claude is an AI assistant developed by Anthropic. It's designed to help with writing, coding, research, brainstorming, data analysis, and much more. Whether you're a student, developer, content creator, or business professional, Claude can assist with a wide range of tasks. One of the reasons it's become so popular is its ability to understand long documents, reason through complex problems, and generate high-quality responses. Now let's talk about Claude models. Claude isn't powered by a single AI model. Instead, Anthropic offers different models optimized for different needs. The first is Haiku. Haiku is the fastest model and is best for simple tasks like answering questions, summarizing text, or handling quick conversations. Next is Sonnet, which is the most balanced model. It offers an excellent mix of speed, intelligence, and accuracy. It's ideal for coding, writing, research, and everyday professional work. Then there's Opus, the most powerful model in the Claude family. It's built for advanced reasoning, complex coding projects, deep research, and solving challenging problems. So if you need speed, choose Haiku. If you want the best balance, use Sonnet. And if you need maximum performance, Opus is the best choice. Now let's look at Claude plans and subscriptions. Claude offers both free and paid plans. The free plan allows anyone to use Claude with certain daily usage limits. It's perfect for trying out the platform and handling occasional tasks. The Pro plan is designed for users who rely on Claude regularly. It provides higher usage limits, access to more advanced models and features, and priority access during periods of high demand. For organizations, Anthropic also offers team and enterprise plans with collaboration features, administrative controls, enhanced security, and centralized management. If you're using Claude every day for work, coding, or content creation, upgrading to the Pro plan can be worthwhile. Next, let's talk about Claude Code. Claude Code is Anthropic's AI coding assistant designed specifically for developers. Instead of only chatting in a web interface, it works directly with your development environment. It can understand your project, explain existing code, write new features, debug errors, refactor code, generate documentation, and even help automate repetitive programming tasks. Think of Claude Code as an AI software engineer working alongside you. Now, what are Claude skills? Skills are reusable capabilities or workflows that help Claude perform specific tasks consistently. For example, you can create skills for code reviews, documentation, content writing, testing, or project management. Instead of explaining the same instructions repeatedly, skills allow Claude to remember and apply a consistent workflow. Many people also ask about Claude Plugins. Claude is the AI assistant. Models determine its intelligence and performance. Plans determine the features and usage limits you receive. Claude Code is built specifically for developers. Skills provide reusable workflows. Plugins are replaced largely by integrations in MCP. Artifacts create interactive, editable outputs. Agents automate complex multi-step tasks. And Cowork helps you collaborate on long-term projects. That's everything you need to know about Claude AI. Now you have a clear understanding of its models, plans, coding capabilities, skills, artifacts, agents, and collaborative features, making it much easier to decide which parts of the Claude ecosystem are right for your needs.